Let me second. The basketball. Oh.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today, me and my brother will be going against our dog here. Since having this dog, we've noticed that she really likes sports. We prefer offense and she is really good at defense. So today we're going to decide who's better, us or the dog. Let's do this.
The first challenge is a soccer challenge. The first person to score 2 goals against the dog wins. The round stops once the goalie has the ball in their hands.
Here we go!
The next round is basketball. It's pretty much the same thing as soccer.
According to Phil Jackson, is still the heart and soul. Draws the foul, banks it in, and one!
Hey, no carry, no carry. Alright, guys. Oh, freaking heck. Dude, she got my finger.
Ow, Charlie!
Make the ground shake.
Bruh. You missed.
It's Curry. Wallace is on him. Got by Rivers. Good if it goes.
Round, Joshua and I are trying to pass the ball to each other 5 times in a row. It's a classic game of doggy in the middle.
Quickly, don't they? Brady goes for the big ball to Ross. He reels it in with one hand, right over Revis. Beat him this time.
Oh no, that's it. We just lost. All right, let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm sorry for not uploading very much this year. I think I only have one video out. So yeah, I'm going to be starting Wikklo Wednesdays, which means for this month, the month of June, I will be uploading one video every Wednesday. So stay tuned for that.